Hello everyone, I'm Will. Welcome to For Your Healthy Life Gree Health Series product launch. 2020 is destined to be a special year. The outbreak of the epidemic has caused huge impact on people's lives and social economy. Technology is the key to defeating the epidemic. Gree insists on escorting the economic recovery with scientific and technological power and has developed the new series air purifier to provide supports for the resumption of work, classes, production, and other activities. In the product launch today, we will present to you the products of home appliances, residential air conditioners, commercial air conditioners. Gree core technologies for your healthy life. Since the outbreak of the epidemic, Gree R&D team has worked day and night and developed the first new series air purifiers within 55 days, based on the previous air purification technology. Today, Gree air purifiers already have a series of products for various applications, such as schools, hospitals, shopping malls, office buildings, and elevators, etc. So without further ado, let's watch a video about Gree new series air purifiers.
Hello everyone, I'm Peter. It's my great honor to introduce you our new air purifier. Since the outbreak of the epidemic, Gree has been working and studying on epidemic prevention through scientific and technological ways. Over 5 months, we have already launched a series of air purifiers. Our new air purifiers are equipped with secure purification system, independently developed by Gree, which can effectively remove virus particles and reduce a large quantity of viruses and bacteria in the air. This series of air purifiers take care of people's breathing health in different scenarios, such as A01 model can be used in public area, A02 model can be used in home area, and A03 model can be used in elevator. As we all know that viruses cannot spread independently and can only rely on the carriers such as particles and aerosols. According to the field test of key laboratory of aerosol chemistry and physics of Chinese Academy of Science in ordinary offices, the concentration of particle matter in the air with a diameter of 20 to 700 nanometer is 2,828 per cubic centimeter. If one adult inhales the air of 500 cubic meter for each hour, more than 1.4 million particles will be inhaled in 1 hour. Viruses and bacteria will attach to this particle and spread. If we do not continuously purify and disinfect the air, the risk of infection will be very high. To ensure people's health life, it's necessary to purify the air in the environment and reduce a large number of particles and aerosols, which carries bacteria and viruses. At present, the most normal filtration methods are high-efficiency filtration, ultraviolet, ozone, and ionine. But there are many problems in actual use. We will check them one by one. First, high-efficiency filtration. Most of the air purifiers on the market use high-efficiency filtration technology. This technology mainly relies on the filter. It can absorb the particle matter on the surface of the filter. Elimination and blocking cannot be achieved. If the viruses penetrate the filter or during the replacement of the filter, it may cause secondary pollution. Ultraviolet and ozone. Ultraviolet and ozone is also a widely used method to eliminate viruses. But with this technology, people cannot stay on site because ultraviolet and ozone are harmful to human body. Ultraviolet and ozone have the requirement of time, concentration, and power. It cannot eliminate the viruses in short time, and the efficiency is low. Anion technology. Anion technology is using the active substance generated by anion to meet and eliminate the viruses in the air. The disadvantage is that active substance generated by anion is really limited, and duration time is really short. Anion can only work by encountering the viruses in the air. Generally speaking, it's outnumbered with limited space and low removal rate. Our products are different with normal filtration methods, which can realize coexistence of human body and machines. It's harmless to people for real-time purification and disinfection. The purification effect is long-term effective. Gree independently developed secure purification system. This system can improve the air through 3 steps. The first step is the constant effect plasma technology, aka CEP technology. This technology uses high voltage ionization to generate plasma in the generating pool. Plasma is a false form of matter in nature. Its energy is really powerful. It can easily destroy the cell wall of bacteria and protein of viruses, which can easily destroy and eliminate viruses and bacteria. The wreckage of the particle matters will drop on the surface of collecting pool and can be cleaned regularly. This module plays a key role in the whole secure purification system. The second stage is the usage of grade H13 true HEPA filtration with a single filtration efficiency of 99.95%. It can easily intercept the bacteria and viruses that escape from the CEP module. It can purify the 100 nanometer size particles and filtrate pollutants of similar size. The last stage is intelligent temperature control technology based on target value. The intelligent temperature control system, independently developed by Gree, can realize automatic sensing and precise temperature control under different fan speed, complex wine field, and different ambient temperature and humidity condition, so that the whole surface of the filter can be continuously maintained at a high temperature above 56 degrees Celsius, eliminating the viruses that are blocked on the filter. This series of air purifiers have been tested by a number of laboratories in China. The sample tests have the following effect. First, the removal efficiency of H1N1 virus and the EV71 virus is more than 99.99%. Second, the removal efficiency of Staphylococcus albicans is 99.99%. The removal efficiency of air nature bacteria is 96%. Third, to verify the removal effect of various particles, including the particle 100 times smaller than PM2.5. The total number of particles in the air with a diameter of 20 to 700 nanometer in a confined space of 60.6 cubic meter is from 2,828 per cubic meter reduced to 85 per cubic centimeter in 55 minutes. Removing 50 per cubic centimeter on average per minute. The removal efficiency is 96.99%. Fourth, to verify the removal effect of biological aerosol. Biological particle above 1 micron with a concentration of 150,000 per liter in a confined space of 35 cubic meter is reduced to 0 in 4.4 minutes. The average of 100 million particles can be removed in 1 minute. Regarding of performance, the particulate matter CADR is 302 cubic meter per hour, and particulate matter of CCM is P4 grade. We have obtained CE, CB, and SASO certification. Our products are sold to more than 40 countries, including Middle East, Europe, Asia, Africa, and other regions. Besides, we have more features to introduce. This series will recommend A02 model. First, streamlined appearance design, simple and elegant. It with arc shape, smooth line, golden waistline, highlighting elegant design, interpreting the fusion of art and technology. Second, instant purification performance display. We have 3-color LED light, green, yellow, and red, to display the air quality instantly. Green means air quality is good. Yellow means air quality is not so good. Red means air quality is bad. Also, users can read PM2.5 at real time. Third, luxury display panel. We got LED display, touch control. We have 3 fan speed, and also we have 1 more auto model for you to select. Furthermore, there are many user-friendly designs in this model. For example, the drawable type design. The unit will remind the user to replace the filter in time. The drawable type designs make it convenient for the end user to replace the filter very conveniently. The primary filter, the generator, and collector of the CP modulus only needed to be cleaned regularly. No need replacement. We have concealed universal caster, easy to move. You can move the air purifier to every room you want, like bedroom, living room, study room. Only 1 hand is enough. Infrared sensor, professional air quality monitoring. The unit can quickly sense the ambient air quality and give the signal to the LED light immediately. After period use, the dust will be accumulated on the surface of the sensor. The sensitivity may be reduced. You only needed to clean it regularly. Ladies and gentlemen, this series air purifier takes care of people's health in different scenarios. Our products have been serving occasions everywhere. We have our products in public areas such as hospitals, schools, hotels, offices, etc. to escort different sectors of society to resume the normal operation of work, production, and education. Gree's technological innovation guards the health of the people. We will have more and better air purifier in the future. So, it's your turn. Thank you.
Thanks, Peter. That's remarkable. Air quality has become a most concerned topic around the world. The concept of creating a better life for the people has motivated Gree's continuous technological innovation. In the field of residential air conditioners, Gree has launched a series of products for sterilization, fresh air, and air purification to comprehensively improve people's healthy life. Today, we would like to introduce our residential air conditioner, Free Air.
Hi, I'm Vinci. It's my great honor to be here to introduce our Free Air to all of you. Welcome to Gree Health Theory's promotion activity. Recently, people will be back at work after recovering from a case of epidemic. People will care more about their health and the environment they live and work. Our Free Air are produced to bring you fresh air when you're sitting at an office and your home. Why do we need free air? Do you have these problems? Somnopathy, feel drowsy, air pollution illness, formaldehyde pollution, influenza problems, air conditioner illness? Most of them are caused by the hazard of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is denser than the air. When the carbon dioxide is low, it's not harmful to the human body. But when it exceeds a certain amount, it will affect the breathing of the people or other organisms. Because the carbonic acid in your blood increases, acidity increases, and acidosis occurs. For example, carbon dioxide concentration and physiological responses from 350 to 450, same as the outdoor environment. From 350 to 1200, you can have the smooth breathing. But with the concentration of the carbon dioxide going up, people will feel headache, drowsiness, unable to concentrate, or even cause death. How can we solve these problems? Do you want to open windows? Open windows for ventilation does not mean health. Uneven heating and cooling of the indoor air, which makes people feel discomfort. And the long-term high-load operation will increase energy consumption. So how can we solve these problems thoroughly? Our Free Air can give you answers. We have wall-mounted spills and floor-standing spills. You can have a look. Let me introduce the functions of our Free Air in details. The first function, UVC light. You can choose UVC light depending on your needs. Our UVC light can be added both on wall-mounted spills and floor standing. The UVC ultraviolet rays is used to kill microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, molds, and single cells. The principle of sterilization is that UVC ultraviolet rays irradiate single cells microorganisms, directly destroying the structure of the DNA and RNA, so that protein constituting of the microorganisms cannot be formed, so that the microorganisms lose their reproduction. Let me introduce our floor standing in details. The first function, independent double airflow design. The air supply of the ordinary cylindrical floor standing is not easy to avoid people. But our free air with double air outlet fresh air can prevent the cold air flowing to people directly. Second, fresh oxygen and purified filter. Gree innovative bidirectional flow fresh air ventilation systems turns on indoor and outdoor circulation, which can discharge indoor turbid air, and then fresh air can be supplied. At the same time, the latter type high-efficiency purified filter is adopted to ensure the freshness of the fresh air. The third function, stepped high-efficiency purified filter. Stepped high-efficiency purified filtration systems, insect-proof and rodent-proof filter, pre-filtration, coarse filtration, double-layer primary filter, multi-filtration ensures fresh air. It is recommended to replace the filter once a year. When the free air flashes on the panel, it's time to replace the filter. Intelligent air quality detection systems. Equipped with intelligent air quality detection systems, Gree free air can visualize the indoor air intelligently. According to the air quality of the indoor air, Gree free air can turn on or turn off the free air and control the fan speed automatically. When the air quality is excellent, you can see the green light. When the air quality is good, you can see the yellow light. When the air quality is terrible, you can see the red light. Let me show you our wall-mounted spills in details. You can see in the working principle diagram. Gree innovative bidirectional two-way flow ventilation systems turns on indoor and outdoor circulation, which can discharge indoor turbid air, and then fresh air can be supplied. The two-way ventilation method of suction and exhaust is introduced to offer you fresh oxygen after filtering to discharge indoor turbid air. And here we can see the functions. The first function, two-way flow ventilation systems. Gree free air with innovative two-way flow ventilation systems offer you fresh oxygen to achieve multiple dimensional indoor air ventilation. Second, carbon dioxide concentration monitoring. Third, hidden double gate louvers can give you adaptive heating and cooling control. The second function is stepped high-efficiency purified filter. 4 steps efficient filter. The first, primary filter to remove dust. Second, HEPA and activated carbon filters. Third, passes the high-density filter for fresher air. Fourth, high-density filter at the air inlet of the air conditioners. The third function, carbon dioxide detection systems. Equipped with a high-precision carbon dioxide detection systems, a real-time monitoring of the carbon dioxide concentration can be realized. The customer can enjoy the visible clean air. This is all for the presentation of our free air. Today, we take Canton Fair as a platform to introduce high-quality products to people from all over the world. In the future, we will create a better home life for people from the global with our core technologies. Where there is a will, there is Gree. Thanks for listening. See you.
Thanks, Vinci, for the wonderful introductions. With the continuous improvements of living standards, people's demand for clean and healthy air in the living and office environment are increasing rapidly. Therefore, Gree has launched 2 fresh air system products in the field of commercial air conditioners. They are ERV and AHU. These 2 products can solve the fresh air problems in the commercial applications and facilitates the resumption of work, production, and business activities.
Hi, I'm Ryan. In order to improve the freshness of indoor air and create a more comfortable living and working environment, Gree has launched Energy Recovery Ventilation System, ERV. ERV is a product that can use the airflow temperature and humidity difference for energy recovery in the process of intaking outdoor fresh air and discharging the indoor turbid air to reduce the load of fresh air. At the same time, filter can be used to purify the fresh air, making indoor air clean and healthy. Currently, there are two series of ERV, without the X-coil and with the X-coil. Two different types of ERV can be applicable to various household or commercial places, such as apartment, offices, hospitals, or airports, or other medium or large size buildings. First of all, let's take a look at the ERV without the X-coil. There are 4 models with different air volume of 150, 250, 350, 500 cubic meters per hour. In order to meet more needs, another 4 models are currently being developed with different air volume of 800, 1000, 1500, 2000 cubic meters per hour, and they are expected to be available at the end of this year. So how does it work? The outdoor fresh air and indoor exhaust air go through the medium efficiency filter, respectively, and then be treated by the heat exchange core inside the unit. In this way, as the indoor air is being refreshed, heat recovery can be done also, with the highest heat exchange efficiency being up to 80%. About another ERV with the X-coil. There are 3 models with different air volume of 500, 800, 1000 cubic meters per hour. Likewise, the outdoor fresh air and indoor turbid air go through the G4 filter, respectively, and then the heat exchange core, and finally, the coil heat exchanger by fresh air fan for cooling, heating, and dehumidification, and can be sent to indoor when reached the set temperature. This kind of ERV with the X-coil integrates a traditional ERV and a coil heat exchanger, which can not only control the temperature of fresh air, but also share this wild controller with a general VRF indoor unit. So, what are the features of those 2 ERVs? ERV can bring you a healthier life. First of all, the outdoor fresh air will be centralized treated, reducing all the pollutants concentration of indoor, such as carbon dioxide, formaldehyde, TVOC, bacteria, etc., and then achieve distributed air supply. F7 and G4 filter can be used to remove the particle matters in the air. F7 filter is in a unit without the X-coil, and the average efficiency of 0.4 micrometers particles is more than 80%. And G4 filter is for the unit with the X-coil, and the average arrestance of synthetic dust is more than 90%. Then, according to different environment, you can choose different air treatment functions: positive pressure mode, negative pressure mode, and balance mode to ensure the cleanliness of air supply area. Under positive pressure mode, the unit can better keep the indoor atmospheric pressure higher than the outdoor, preventing the outdoor air from entering the indoor through door window. Under negative pressure mode, the unit can better keep the indoor atmospheric pressure lower than the outdoor, preventing the indoor air from leaking to outdoor through door window. And under balance mode, the atmospheric pressure of both indoor and outdoor are the same. And finally, the unit can be equipped with an air box, which can not only display the air quality level, carbon dioxide concentration, PM 2.5 concentration, temperature, and humidity, but also control the whole operation status of the whole unit according to the air quality to make sure that the air is in a very healthy state. Gree ERV is also energy saving. Firstly, because of passive energy recovery function, the heat recovery efficiency of the whole unit is 73% to 80%. Secondly, the unit automatically enters all heat recovery mode, bypass mode, and exhaust mode according to the indoor and outdoor ambient temperature. And thirdly, this ERV plus coil series has free cooling function and free cooling function at night. That is to say, if the outdoor temperature is lower than the indoor temperature, you can directly intake the outdoor low temperature fresh air to cool down the indoor air without the operation of outdoor units, reducing the energy consumption. In addition, the units adopt constant air volume design, and the external static pressure can reach 150 Pa. It enables long-distance air supply, and the air volume is very stable. And one ERV can be controlled by multiple controllers, or multiple ERVs can be controlled by just one controller. By using a wire controller, timer function and automatic cleaning reminder can be realized. And it can be linked with a VRF unit and can be turned on and off with a VRF indoor unit. Gree ERV is more applicable and more flexible and can meet all of your needs. But if the air volume or the function still cannot meet your requirement for fresh air, Gree also has Air Handling Unit, AHU. AHU is an air conditioning unit that has many different air treatment functions. There are different sections for different functions, including cooling, heating, humidifying, dehumidifying, cleaning, sterilizing, muffling, heat recovering, and ventilating. Customers can choose different combination of functions according to actual needs. In order to adapt to different fresh air treatment needs, Gree has various series of AHU. According to the refrigerant, there are two series. Refrigerant system is with evaporator and connect with VRF. And water system is without evaporator and connect with chiller. DX AHU is a direct expansion evaporation type modular AHU. It uses R410A refrigerant and variable refrigerant flow control technology to connect with VRF through AHU kit. And there are two different kinds of panel thickness for you to choose. They are 25 and 50 millimeters. The air volume of our AHU is from 2,000 to 100,000 cubic meters per hour, and is very suitable for larger areas. Through different sections, there are different functions and can meet various needs. Supply fresh air to improve the air quality, for creating a more comfortable living and working environment. Gree, always caring for a healthy life. Thank you.
Thanks, Ryan. It's terrific. Whether you want to eliminate bacteria or breathe fresh air or remove haze, Gree always has a healthy product to meet your demands. Innovation makes the future. Gree will add more healthy elements in the home appliances, residential air conditioners, and commercial air conditioners. Gree's products will undoubtedly become a powerful tool for protecting your home and your healthy breath. For your healthy life, let's breathe freely.